little guys, what is cloud computing? That's the topic for today. You may have heard people talk about the cloud, such as cloud computing or cloud storage, and you weren't sure of what it was. It's fine. The term cloud refers to data and application that is being stored and run on the cloud instead of being stored and run on your local computer or any equipment that you own. And this data and application that is being run on the cloud is accessed through the internet. So the workload is no longer on your computer or any of your equipment, but now on the cloud. So what is a cloud? To put it simple, a cloud is a large building that is filled with computers. To be specific, a large building that is filled with servers, and servers are just that perform tasks on behalf of clients. Now, these buildings are very, very large. Yes, they have to be. And when you take a look inside, it's a giant data center filled with servers. And these servers perform numerous tasks such as running application, data, such as running application, storing data, data processing, and web hosting. And they are all accessed through the internet. So what is the purpose of the cloud? The company that owns the cloud are known as cloud provider, and their purpose is to sell their computers as servers. Now, a server is something that you hire someone to do for you instead of doing it yourself. So, if a person or a company want to hire another company to do parts or all of their computer workload, they will use cloud computing. So back in the old days, before cloud computing, let's say you want to use an email, you need to have your own operating system and your email server. The problem with this is that if the server if the server is faulty, you'll be the one to fix it. Let's say it has a software problem or a hardware failure, you will fix it. But now you can eliminate all that and let another company host your email. Eliminate company host your email in their server on the cloud for you. So email is just one of the example of cloud computing, although we have others like software productivity, databases, and YouTube. Yes, as an individual, you can use YouTube as a cloud. If you're a video creator, instead of building and having your own software and the high cost of internet bandwidth that you will need for people to watch your videos on your server, you can bypass all that and let YouTube handles everything for you. So instead of paying YouTube as a regular cloud provider, YouTube you now have a share of the revenue generated by your videos. Computing is very, very reliable and scalable, and it helps people to less the expenses of maintaining and having their own data center. So cloud providers are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Platform, Alibaba, and IBM, with Amazon being the biggest of them all, and with its biggest customer like Netflix. So Netflix uses Amazon to run most of its computer and storage needs. So we have three types of cloud computing. We have infrastructure as a server, we have platform as a server, and we have software as a server. You handle a portion of your business, let's say the hardware, while you handle the software. So the cloud provider will handle networking and storage and visualization. So we have another one, platform as a server. So platform as a server, in this case, the cloud provider will take control of most of your business. Like it will handle the operating system and the networking. So you only have access to data and applications. So we have another one as software as a server. In this case, you don't have any control. The cloud provider provides everything, handles all the application. So you just have to connect to the cloud provider through the internet.